Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrading.com. I'm making this video from Jackson Memorial Hospital, room number 254, Miami, Florida. This is the address of my second residence. Really, yeah. So I've been living here for the last 2 weeks, 15 days with my wife, and I'm still here, and God knows how long I have to be here, right? This becomes my like second home, I guess. So anyway, let's see, whatever it is in my fate. Um, all right, so yeah, my wife is still sick, and doctors are, working on it. So all right, so let's get to the video. This is the US dollar index I'm making the video about, and this is the monthly chart I made on September 13th. This was the bouncing pad here, third touch of the teal, right? So it's supposed to be bouncing and going to the upside. So I'm going to show you a few charts. Not, I don't have time. I'm still, in the hospital right now making this video. So what this chart so far right now, as it is like this. So we bounce from here this month, and then this month, and then this month we are here to this 1026. This is the key number for now, right? So if we drop below and we go above, right? So the overall, then my target is this. On the weekly chart, you can see clearly that this was my target. September 24th, I made this chart that we're going to be bouncing from here and then going towards like 61% area here of this drop. So now you can see that from here, we are, somewhere here right now. Let me see the second chart. As of today, we are here, right? So let's see. And this is again like 1026 is the area, 1028 this low, 1026 that high. This is the key number. And we go above it and find support and then continue to go to the upside. Then we are going to the upside, right? Now, at the same time, I made the daily chart looking like this, elaborating a little bit the bottom of this down move. So this like A, B, C, A, and then A, B, C, B, and I'm expecting this C correction around 61% of the drop, which is around coming 1370, 1347, 1347 or 1390 on this weekly chart as well. This is this is 1560, 61%. 50% is 1321. So, somewhere here I'm expecting that. So let's see. Or maybe a little higher. 1599 is right there, right? The line disappeared, but the number is there. So 1599, yeah, 1560. This is where the line's supposed to be. So this would be waves. So now this one, it started to go to the upside, and we are here somewhere. Let's see, 1026. We are here right now. All right, let's see the chart. This is how the chart is. So it went up there, came down, went up there, closed, and then came down here. And we are right now, we're closing here, right? So 1026 is not touched. I think it looks like touched, but it's not. So we drop here and then trying to find the support on this 0696. This is also a very huge, big number. If you look at it, 0696 on a monthly chart, you'll find it 0696 is right there. Right, so this move here, then big high, and then drop here, and then it went up, right? So this number and then this number. These are the numbers that need to be watched over the weekend. I mean, next week, not over the weekend. It's not going to move over the weekend, right? So this is how the daily chart so far shows to the upside. In the meantime, I also made, this is the chart I made on October 16th, right? And then you see this 31st October, slowly it started to bounce from here, and then okay, that was the chart. See, I'm making a mistake already here. So this is not the current chart. This is 16th October. We were here, and we started to go up here, going back again, and then September 16th November. This is the current chart. So we went up, we drop again, and then this is the TL. Now I said we're gonna bounce from here, 16th November, and what happened to this chart so far? It bounced and then it went up there. So we are just sitting from above at 1026. So this is, like I said, this is the key number, and then 0698, keep an eye on that. Well, 0698 is far away from it, right? So 1026 is the key number, right? 40-minute chart, I made this one on the 16th October that, this is how, a very nice long setup. And it ended up last Friday is like this. So this one went up exactly where I said it's gonna go, and then drop, and then it went up again. right? So this is where 1026, 1019 is there, right? So this is what's going to happen. And again, it may drop here first when the market opens up and then continue to go to the upside. But remember to keep an eye on this daily chart, this one. All right, so it should be going into this 1390 or 1599. Well, time will tell, right? So let's get to this 1195 first, and then we will talk about that, 1347, 1390, or 1599. But so far, USD is on the move to the upside, getting strong. That's what need to be understand, right? So we will follow that, and I will hopefully make a video on Monday again, if time permits, and I will tell you where it is heading. A couple of fundies that I have to watch first, and then we will see, right? Definitely, this is like a chart showing the technical analysis, but it also depends almost like 50% depends on the fundies as well. So what kind of news or fundamental we get along the way, right? So this is it for now. Pray for my wife health, and so that I can go back home and start working properly, right? So this is it for now, and talk to you guys in the next video. Today is Saturday, and nothing to do. I'm sitting here in the hospital room, looking outside at the window, from the window, and that's it, right? So may end up making a couple of more videos about gold and this and that. So let's see if I can do that, right? So talk to you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful weekend.